Welcome back to Out of Ore. On this episode, I've been digging in here for about an hour right now, and I've done more in this hour with this big excavator loader than I did in almost 4 hours with the smaller one. So we're going to finish this off real quick and then see what kind of materials we got. And yeah, I've been kind of messy about it. I'm just going through digging. It's the end of the pit. I'm going to probably have to blast more to get more out of this after this, or extend the pit a different direction. Which is fine. I mean, we have lots of room over there we can go. I think after I put the second bucket full in here, the plant has not stopped working. It's just continually running gravel. And of course we also have the froth floater over there. So we're getting materials like iron and copper and stuff like that out from over there. This is going to be a pretty short one. Like I said, I just want to get this little bit of material up here dug out and then check to see what we have accomplished. There's been quite a few buckets that like this are a little bit lower, bouncing around because like I said, I'm not doing a perfect job. I'm doing a rush job, just trying to get it done. Get a couple videos ahead so that I can work on other things too. As you can see, it's kind of rough. I definitely was not taking my time the last hour. I was just trying to hustle and get it done. That hasn't even been an hour. It's like 45 minutes. And that hopper is about half full right now. I just checked it before I started recording. Yeah, I'm loving this loader. It's a beast. I wish the excavators worked better. I would love to do some excavation work, but the way they work right now, they're not that good. Same with the dozer. They definitely hit the front end loader right on the head, and it's a great machine. But the dozers and the excavators, not so much. And I have not peeked yet either, so I have no idea what we're going to get. Oh, there's a ledge there. Starting to hit into the solid rock again that's not blasted. As you can see by the green down there. Or greenish color. Trying to talk one of my long-term gaming partners to get this game. Uh-oh. And come play a multiplayer set with me. Just not sure if anybody's interested in multiplayer or not. What the heck am I hooked on? Oh, okay. I see what I'm hooked on now. And my goal tonight was to get rid of, well, not get rid of, but go through the material in this little quarry here. See how much gravel we get. Like I said, we got tons of gravel from down there, but I've done the same amount of work already in way, way less time, and there's still a little bit left to get. Let's see how full this thing is now. Yeah, just a little bit of rock in there. Keep getting those full buckets. It's going to take another 20 minutes for all that material to run through. I may have to leave a little bit of that up there until next time because I took out the ramp. I don't think I can get up that little ledge to get the last little bit. Unless I can get it from the right side, or left side I mean. This thing does reach pretty far though, so I might be able to get it. I had a hopper once, it was like 214% full. These things will just keep taking material. It'll run through it, it won't lose it, it just takes a while. So I can bust into that. No, I can, sweet. Give myself a little ramp maybe to get up there and get the rest of that. Sometimes you can bust the solid rock that's right next to the blast zone with the loader. I think I'm going to have to get up and tamp that so I can get up there better. It's getting kind of hard to get up there with the excess rock falling out and me not being careful in my digging process. turn. This could be fun getting out of here. Without dumping my load. Made it. Don't know how, but we made it. Well, not quite, not yet. Okay, now we've been an hour. I did check to make sure the storages were empty when I started this, so I knew exactly what we made. Come on. As I'm tipping my bucket back, it just dumps like a third of the bucket out. That's ridiculous. When I'm still pushed up against the material. Couple more scoops here, and then we're gonna, I think, call it good. Until I blast more. Come on, dig. There we go. Finally, a full load. Can we keep it all? Well, a full oversized load, I mean. I'm not sure what size power converter thing I have here. It might only be a 1, because I was using the other excavator, and it was taking me a long time to move small amounts up here. Get one more full bucket, and then we're gonna let the plant run through. See what we got. Still a full bucket. Not quite overloaded, but let's see how full the hopper is. And then I'm probably going to do a little jump cut to where we're actually finished processing. Because we also have to go smelt after this too. Alright, let's pull this out of here. Of course, you gotta put our buckets down. No sneak peeks either, we're not even gonna look yet. Let's see how long this is gonna take. It's gonna be, yeah, probably like 20 minutes. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, everything is consumed now, and I believe the plant is finished, so we're going to run up here to the gravel part first. And we got, oh my god, a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 100,000, pretty much. Like 135,000 in gravel. So we shouldn't have to do any more graveling for a while. We're going to go ahead and collect all this real quick. And pay dirt, because I clicked the top of the thing up there. And then we're going to go down here to where our ores are at and see what we got, if anything. Good. Okay, so all the tailings we'll just pull out real quick so I can actually see what we have. We got more pay dirt too. Alright, so we got wow. 23,000 iron ore, 5,000 copper, 2,600 silver, 8,100 lithium, 5,100 aluminum, but no gold. So I can't carry all this right now, so I'm going to get rid of the tailings real quick, which are 7,000 apiece. We're started at 141. 6,141,000. And then we can grab the rest of this stuff, go smelt it all, and see how many steel and silver and all that jazz we got. Run over here real quick. This shouldn't take too long to run through. And then I'm going to get some cement running again, and then we'll check the hopper, and I think that'll be it for the video. So we want to put the pay dirt in, and all this stuff. All the gravel will keep, consume. Oh, it was more than we could put in there. So we'll have to wait a minute to get the rest of it in. Oh, and to do 10% of this hopper is, on the other plant, was 1 minute and 7 seconds. This one's obviously, that was a 2-speed. This one's got a 5-speed, so it's going to go way faster. Unless I keep putting stuff into it. So I need to get down to like 95% again, and we can put the rest in. But we're going to get a bunch of cement being built. Because each one of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so we'll have like 4,000 cement being built, which will make quite a few concrete blocks. Alright, let's see. Bump this up to $9.99 and go click. Oh, wrong one. Click, click. And we're going to do 3 per, I believe, for 12,000. I can always come back and put more in. One of them. So this one's going to have 4. And then we'll take the last little bit here, put it in this one. So we're going to have a little over 13,000. And I do have some gravel over there and from that hopper, but I just haven't looked and see what's in there yet. This was empty. I moved everything into here, so we know exactly what we have available. And since I have the 5 gravel left over, I'm going to go ahead and just dump it in here real quick while we're waiting for everything. Not much gravel or blasted rock's been coming through here, because all we had was just the section that we did right through here that we put in there, so not a whole lot in there. Let's run over and see what we got. Oh, it's still processing. Never mind. Not quite done yet. So it looks like the rest of the material's coming through now. I think tomorrow I'm going to work on the tunnel after work, probably do that off recording, and then maybe mess around with some new machinery the following episode, or this next episode. As soon as this all goes through. We are going to have some gold because I had a little bit of pay dirt, but not a lot. It's mainly going to be stuff we're going to be using to build stuff. Alright, that looks like it's it. Alright, so we got 130 gold, we're going to sell that. We got 1,318 silver, we're going to sell that. Ruby and diamond, not that much. We're going to keep all this, but we got, looks like 12,300 steel, which is good. I need to get those plants running again. Because if you have the opportunity to, you should be crafting. It helps with experience. But as you see, these things aren't running. So I'm just going to do like, I don't know, half stack here. And then half stack here. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I could just, let's see. This one's beams. This one's beams also. Oh, that's awesome. I didn't change it. So we need to do steel rods. I'll do 2 of those. Let's see if this one's got beams also. Yeah, it does. Okay. So we're going to do steel sheets in this one. 2. Do beams in this one. Even though we have a ton of beams already, we'll use them. It's just a matter of time. Beams, and then all the way over here, it's still going. Nuts and bolts, we're going to make another 2,000 of those. We still have plenty left over for anything else we want to do. This here, we have to wait until, well, I mean, we can make stuff. What do we want to make? Let's see, one of those is that. Let me grab those steel beams that are over here. We can get that running. That way, like I said, you want to, if possible, always keep your machines here working, creating more materials for you to use. Alright, let's go ahead and dump these in here. And then we're going to have, I don't know, how many can we make up? I don't have enough nuts and bolts, but we could easily make up probably like, let's just click it and see what it says. 300, 299. I don't want to make that many though, so let's make 150 of them. Actually, no, let's make some mesh. We're going to need this in the tunnel. So let's do 150 of these. Crap. Oh, that was rods. Okay. That's rods also. I know we don't have enough nuts and bolts, but that's fine. Why did it says 300? I said 150. There we go. And then we'll also make 150 of these. Well, 149. And then when we have more made up, actually, We do have these two. Let's drop this, make that again. We're also going to need some walls. I think let's do 2 sections of those because we're going to need a lot. And I think that's going to be it for the episode. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like the video, please, it helps the channel. And thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next one.